In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit individual product pages on your Wix website. If you want your product pages to look more polished and better match your brand, Wix makes it fairly simple to customize the overall appearance right inside the editor. This includes things like the style of the image gallery, the look of your buttons, and the way product information is displayed. In this walkthrough, I will show you where to find those settings and how to adjust the page so it fits the shopping experience you want to create. To get started, open your Wix website editor. Once you are inside the editor, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click Pages and Menu. This is where Wix organizes all of the pages on your site, including your store-related pages. From there, go to Store Pages and select Product Page. This will take you to the main product page design area. Keep in mind that this is where you adjust the overall design for your product page template, so the changes you make here can affect how your products are presented across the store. Next, click directly on the product page preview. When you do that, you should see either a settings option or a floating menu appear, depending on the version of the editor you are using. Open that menu and look for the layout options. Here, you can choose a style such as Classic, Stunning, or Spotlight. Each layout changes the way the product images and information are arranged, so it's a good idea to click through a few options and see which one best fits your products and your brand style. After that, move into the Elements or General section. This is where you can control what information appears on the page. For example, you can check or uncheck boxes to show or hide things like SKUs, quantity selectors, and the Buy Now button. This is especially useful if you want a cleaner layout or if certain details just aren't necessary for your store setup. Once the structure looks right, you can fine-tune the visual design. Click on specific parts of the page, such as buttons, text, or borders, to edit their appearance. Wix lets you adjust things like fonts, colors, and opacity, which helps you create a more consistent and professional-looking product page. Try to keep these design choices aligned with the rest of your website so everything feels cohesive. That's the process for editing your Wix product page design. Thanks for watching.